something that you have to deserve. It is something that you just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom.
Happy Independence Day and a very bright morning to all of you. With high spirits and cheerful mood, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day today.
My love for my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness.
Let us all pray to God for the well-being, good health, prosperity and contentment of everyone, especially of our country.
God has created everyone by His own hands, and everyone is made in His own image and likeness.
Here comes the little angels of CRCS family who are entreating to God for their country through their spiritual movements.
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में, बिकता हूँ मैं तो इन दुकानों में। मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में, बिकता हूँ मैं तो इन दुकानों में। दुनिया बनाई मैंने हाथों से, मिट्टी से नहीं जज्बातों से। फिर रहा हूँ ढूंढता मेरे निशान है कहाँ, मेरे निशान है कहाँ, मेरे निशान। तेरे साथ चला मैं, जब धूप आई तेरे सर पे तो छाँव बना मैं। तेरा ही साया बनके तेरे साथ चला मैं, जब धूप आई तेरे सर पे तो छाँव बना मैं। मैं तेरी रहा, मैं हम सफर की उलझा है फिर भी तू जालों में, ढूंढे सवालों को जवाबों में। खोया हुआ है तू कहाँ, तू कहाँ, मेरे निशान है कहाँ, मेरे निशान है कहाँ, मेरे निशान।
Thank you, our little angels.
On this auspicious day, how can we forget our glorious past and the immense sacrifices of innumerable martyrs whose priceless sacrifices led to the foundation of independent India?
To make us aware about our illustrious past, here is my friend Mannat with her golden words.
आ आज़ादी तुझसे दो बात कर ले, जिन्होंने दी कुर्बानी उन्हें दिल से याद कर ले। Respected system manager, worthy principal, teachers, lovely parents and all my dear friends. Very good morning to all. First of all, my heartfelt wishes for the 75th Independence Day we are celebrating today. And I, Mannat, from class 10th of Christ Church Convent School, would like to speak a few words from the bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. 15th of August. This is the day we celebrate our freedom as a nation, while we remember those great stalwarts who made many sacrifices
to make this freedom for us. We are born in an independent nation and hence probably understand very little about the insult of being governed by a foreign power. However, whenever we are away from the country, we observe non-resident Indians celebrating the Independence Day with much more vigor than the people celebrate in the country itself. Probably it is the feeling of identity as Indians which is behind such emotions. The identity of being an independent nation where the sovereign power of deciding our own destiny rests with us bring about huge responsibilities over our shoulders. And we shall be failing to fulfill these responsibilities if we do not dedicate ourselves to the service of this nation. Yes, we all have our personal agendas of progressing in our careers, but let us do it without forgetting our duties towards this nation. Over the last 7 decades, India has emerged towards becoming a global power. However, in this competitive world, to march further, a country requires a strong future-building generation. It is here that we can contribute. Even if each one of us will decide to work for one problem in this society, we will be making great contributions towards this country and to this institute. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in our mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. I would like to wind up my views with a famous quotation which says, "May we think of freedom not as the right to do as we please, but as the opportunity to do what is right." Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mannat, for your inspirational words.
Today, we are full of enthusiasm and patriotism. Our heart is full of gratitude to those who have sacrificed their lives for their motherland.
To enhance the feeling of nationalism, we are going to invite the melodious stars of CRCS. a beautiful and enchanting performance.
It is rightly said that perfect courage means doing in witness what one would be capable of doing before the whole world.
Every single Indian is filled up with this perfect courage as we stand together to put up a determined fight for this unprecedented, life-threatening disease with such a vast magnitude and valiant corona warriors all over the country.
Let's salute these warriors who have not let the spirit of true India down in testing times.
आलू ले लो, टमाटर ले लो, गोभी ले लो। आलू ले लो, टमाटर ले लो, गोभी ले लो। ताजी सब्जी ले लो, सस्ते दाम में ताजी सब्जी। सब्जी ले लो, सब्जी। Why are not people coming? If they will not come, how I will sell my vegetables? Oh God, thank you so much.
On seeing the policeman, he becomes happy that now someone will buy his vegetables.
Yes, sir. What do you want? I have tomato, potato, brinjal at a very reasonable price.
No, I don't want to buy anything. I am here to tell you something.
What is it, sir?
Do you know our whole nation is facing a global pandemic and our Prime Minister has imposed complete lockdown. No one is allowed to come out of their home.
Think, sir. If I not sell vegetables, so what will I eat? बाहर आए तो बीमारी मार देगी, अंदर रहे तो भूख मार देगी.
We cannot do anything. It is our duty to check whether no one breaks the rule. Wait a second, I am coming. Here, brother, take this. It has all the grocery for 3 months. And also don't forget, 2 गज दूरी, mask है जरूरी.
You are God disguised as human.
Don't say like that. It's my duty. Be happy and stay safe with your family.
There is a crowd outside the hospital. The people are frustrated. They are scared. The guard in the hospital is asking them to calm down.
We are waiting here for so long.
Call somebody right away.
Open the gate.
Open the gate.
Are you a doctor here?
Yes, we are the doctor here.
Let us come inside. We are waiting here for so long. It's so hot outside here.
We don't have enough beds. Please understand.
Let us come inside. Let us come inside.
What are you guys doing here? We understand your problem, but if you will insult us, how could you be better? So please maintain social distancing and wear the mask.
Madam, if you like, send us back, but please admit my daughter. She is terribly unwell.
Okay, I understand your problem. Nurse, please admit her on bed 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Despite all the controversies, the doctors did not lose hope and kept on treating their patients.
Bandhan, right?
Yes, sir.
You don't have a fever and oxygen level is improving. Let's repeat the test tomorrow. As soon as it shows negative, you're free to go.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Sir,
No, I don't know.
sir, your mask, please.
I said I don't want it. Don't you get it?
Wait a minute, wait a minute. What's the matter?
Sir, he is refusing to wear the mask.
Fine, leave it on. Rohit, what's the matter? It's for better speaking. How are you supposed to get better?
What treatment, doctor? What treatment? I know that there is no treatment for this virus.
Rohit, are you the doctor or we?
Doctor, I have been on medicines and injections since I got here. I am seeing people being moved to ICU in the past few days. If I have to die, I don't want to die in this hospital bed.
Rohit, you will be fine. I understand that the situation is tough, but we can't give up. At least think about your family. Please see him. He has old parents, a wife, and a 3-year-old child. He can refuse to come on COVID duty, but he is on COVID duty for 15 days. Our hard work and sacrifice deserves respect, no? He's stronger than you. Come on, have a mask. Yes,
Hey, what happened? Don't lose hope, doctors. You are just like my children. My experience says everything will be fine soon. Okay? Have patience and show some positivity. Okay?
Nandhi
सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सोचा बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे
अस्पताल में लोग इस बीमारी से अकेले लड़ते वक्त अपने परिवार का साथ चाहते, पर ऐसे हालातों में हम ही हैं उनके डॉक्टर, हम ही उनका परिवार, हम ही उनकी हिम्मत और हम ही उनकी उम्मीद।
मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया।
What does it mean to be a hero? The person who lives with ease and doesn't face the difficult time. The person who faces the difficult times, encounters overwhelming adversities, is the real hero. Today I am proud of such heroes who are protecting the nation at the borders as well as serving the nation without caring of their own lives. Their names will be remembered forever.
जय 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 हो जय 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 फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान बांटेंगे हम खुशियां गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया फिर जीतेगा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया
Thank you friends for your wonderful performance.
Our Independence Day is not only a day of celebration, but it is a day of remembrance and veneration.
Let's recall our national heroes to the role play of our tiny tots.
Good morning teachers and good morning friends. My name is Kavya and I am Bharat Mata, the mother of India. I love all my children very much. Today I see some people say I am Hindu. Some people say I am Muslim. Some people say I am Christian. But nobody says I am Indian. My dear children, don't fight with each other. If you want to fight, so fight with corruption. Fight with malpractice. I want that my all children live with love and unity. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Really awesome and captivating performance it was. Our country's culture is an important part of our upbringing. And what could be more wonderful than little children representing our cherished culture?
You are right, Hiba. Today, the students of CRCS have decided to give the audience something that they will remember for the rest of their lives, that will help them to bring smiles on their faces and help them to have a flood of feelings, a river of patriotism flowing through their veins, hands and on their beating hearts.
So all of you get ready to shake on the moves of these dancing stars.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था ना, देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, हो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
मौत नू वजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे, सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे। रे लखी गाड़ दूं रे चाड़ा पाड़ दूं, रे लखी गाड़ दूं रे चाड़ा पाड़ दूं, माँ के पेट से मरगट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे, दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल।
झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर, तुझे सलाम इंडिया। वंदे मातरम 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 वंदे।
Thank you friends for this fascinating performance.
Let's have a change. Let's come back to reality. Let's come to the theater of life. Actually, life itself is a drama. And we all are the artists performing our characters assigned to us by the Almighty God.
Here we have our esteemed and talented teachers who are going to play the role of unsung heroes of our nation.
शौर्यम दक्षम युद्ध है,
बलिदान परमो धर्म।
जय हिंद।
When we think of freedom fighters, we usually end up thinking of Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose or Indira Gandhi. With no disrespect to any of these, we would like to remind you there were thousands of freedom fighters who fought fearlessly against the British regime for our freedom. As we enjoy our Independence Day, it is our duty, our responsibility to remember the sacrifices that these great souls made. So here today we are going to talk about some little notes of our female freedom fighters.
I know where I am going and I know the truth. I don't have to be what you want me to be. I am free to be what I want. Today, I am honored to play the role of the lady who is known as the Grand Old Lady and the Queen of Indian Independence Movement. The time when education was not at all prevalent in the society, I was fortunate to be a graduate. I worked as an educator, publisher, and actively participated in the Indian independence movement. I initiated in the independence movement by salt satyagraha. During the Quit India movement on August 8, 1942, I proudly unfurled our Tiranga in a heavily condemned off at Gwalior Tank Maidan, Mumbai, and shouted, "British, quit India!" Who is not at all courageous to take risk will accomplish nothing in life. Jai Hind!
Do you remember me? I was first female teacher and headmistress in India. Namaskar. I am Savitri Rao Jyoti Babu Phule. I took great efforts towards educating and emancipating child widows, campaigned against child marriage and sati pratha. I started first school for girls in 1884. I started an organization, Mahila Seva Sadan, with the objective of creating awareness among women regarding their rights, dignity, and other social issues. Jai Hind.
Adab. I, Begum Hazrat Mahal, was a great Indian freedom fighter who has played a very important role during the First War of Independence in 1857. I was born in 1820. After the exile of my husband, Nawab Wazid Ali Shah, I took over all the affairs of the state of Awadh. I rebelled against the British East India Company. I was also known as Begum of Awadh.
Freedom comes in three ways: political, social, and economic emancipation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Lakshmi Sehgal was one of the revolutionaries of the Indian independent movement. I was an officer of Azad Hind Fauj. I got the title Captain Lakshmi. I served the people as a doctor. I was arrested by Britishers in 1945. I got the privilege to be nominated for the post of president against Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in 2002. Independent means not doing your own things. Independent means doing right things by your own. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
That we have today the blood and toil of these and many more freedom fighters like them.
Despite all the hardship and ailing around, let us put in our best. Let me wish you a very happy Independence Day. Let us salute our soldiers and great freedom fighters on this day. Vande Mataram.
For this lovely performance.
Now I would like to call upon our respected principal, a sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar, a navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to present a brief agenda on this special moment.
If you want real peace in the world, in the country, start with the children. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. A warm and splendid Independence Day greetings to one and all. Respected sisters, worthy teachers, dear parents, and all my dear lovely students, paying a prayerful tribute and a great salute to our freedom fighters, let me begin. Once again, the pandemic disturbances and disaster drove us for a virtual platform for the Independence Day celebration this year too. Yet, let's not be in panic. Instead, let's be powerful enough to fight against this evil virus and pray for a healthy atmosphere all around. Let the 75th Independence Day celebration may bring forth prosperity, healing and peace in abundance by the great mercy and kindness of God the Almighty. No doubt, we are blessed with a blissful and nuclear country. Though the pandemic has disturbed the present scenario, not only in education, but all the phases of human life to a great extent, let's arise and be hopeful. Let's safeguard and cherish the rich heritage of our country and preserve the freedom our ancestors have earned with their lifeblood. Let's all be more patriotic and strive hard to bring unity, peace, and brotherly love in our country, treading the path of truth and love. I also take this opportunity to appreciate and applaud all our dear teachers who performed so creatively and who spared their valuable time to prepare the students for this colorful virtual show to express our love and respect for our country on its Independence Day celebration. Hearty congratulations to all our dear little buds of Christ Raja family who staged the show so harmoniously, and also our heartfelt gratitude to their parents who extended their cooperation. Once again, Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sister, for your precious and motivating words.
I know we all must have enjoyed the function, but here is the time we say the end of the function. Before we sign up here, let us wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, वतन मेरे वतन, वतन